Four. Ha? A year.
A year.
Nakasabot to?
Iiyak ka to.
Over a year. Oh, over a year. A year, 4. Oh, diba?
A year and 4 months? Over a year.
Ito po lang sa movie since no boyfriend since birth. Carla, no boyfriend ka ngayon?
Boyfriend, define boyfriend.
Define ang boyfriend. So no boyfriend ka ngayon?
No boyfriend ako ngayon.
So ito, pag
Ako rin, no boyfriend.
Ikaw ako na
pag magkasama kayo ni Carla.
Kaya pareho lang kami. Bakit?
Pag lumalabas kayo ni Carla,
Si Pam na no boyfriend since
So pag lumalabas kayo ni Carla, halimbawa, pag may mga nasasalubong na
Pabebe.
how do you introduce Carla?
This is Tom, this is Carla.
My what?
Alam naman.
This is Carla, my paano na siya nag-describe? Oo. So may co-star, gano'n? My friend yan?
This girl, this is so-and-so. Same girl.
Meron naman talaga sila dalawa ng mga bakita.
Of course. We would want to be wasting time.
Special kami sa isa't isa. Tom is very special to me and Tom always says I'm very special to me. So lagi namin sinasabi kung ano po ang gusto ninyong isipin, kung ano po ang gusto ninyong tawag sa amin. Ay, mag-jowa yan, okay. So nasa sa inyo po yun. Kayo po ang magbibigay ng
So pwede naman kasi.
Kasi whenever we say that we're very special to each other, I don't think that's a put on anything. What you see is really what you get. When I say she's very special to me, she's very special to me. I don't mean to be wasted in both our time. So I would be in there naman siguro na, so whatever labels you guys are looking for, I mean, that's up to you. Kasi for me, what we feel like is
Nagsi-celebrate naman kayo ng anniversary? Wala? For you? So, pero halos araw-araw yung present.
Hindi pa anniversary.
So wala pang first anniversary.
Sa tamang panahon.
Wala pa yun. Okay.